nhất xa sự hơi chính em mà đem cái chính nhập
Hả nghe lại phim ngay xe
bác có bài bên nghe Nrei te bro chính em ngin hấp xin nhau cái tay pop bật cầm bà bà chungi
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat Pynïasoh Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Convener jangka budget publicity campaign nak bentar ka syatai lami ngi jangka BJP Devesh Kumar haka khalai tri urempang arja penrio uloong baka jing ang nur jong mentirang ba do kari Narendra Modi kalong pan penpoi ya kalentirel syaborok Jylla haka jing akran bilap thai kabor Kumar loong batang Lada Trai Shnong ki Kyrshan kani ka jing thmu kan orlong uloong ba kidang dan slightly Jylla ka than syatai lami ngi ki pompat Pynïasoh da kalentirel hendrai kani ka syong baro haka jing Kyrshan jong Trai Shnong
section to Bhairapi, which is on Assam-Mizoram border. It was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister in September last year, and it has proved to be a boon. So Honorable Prime Minister wants each and every state to be connected by the rail network. But this has to be done with the help of the local population. So the moment we feel that the local population is up for it, you will get it. We are more than willing. There are just 3 states in the northeast where there is no rail connectivity, but it has to be with the help of the common people, of the local people.
I think the work has begun, and this is a very important, integral part of the central government's vision and Prime Minister's vision. And I think the work has begun. So we will ensure that it's implemented, and we really hope that all the states are connected, and also intrastate connectivity is there. So we are completely dedicated and committed to it.
As I said, increasingly we are using technology to plug the leakages. So a day will come when there will be complete, the leakages will stop completely. But we are working in that direction. You would agree that leakages which were there earlier, on the late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi used to say that
Yes.
We give 100 rupees to the state and only 15% of it reaches the... So he was lamenting about the leakages. The leakages have, I'm not saying they have gone completely or they have disappeared completely, but with the help of DBT, funds which are allocated, they are reaching the people directly without any paisa being pilfered in between. So I'm sure with the use of technology in the days to come, this will go away completely. But someday, I'm sure, and we would work in that direction.
That idea that the poor are included and they have access to the banking system. They were totally out of it. So the poorest of the poor were given the Jan Dhan Yojana card and they had access. So you identified the very poor who did not have accounts anywhere. Then what happened? Aadhaar card, you all remember how that linkage happened. And then there was mobile telephony and UPI. So that was the way we stopped the leakages, because finally it was all there. And there were no middlemen today like they used to be, because everything in direct transfers are done totally in the accounts. And so this was the point I was making. So this is the way from 2014 till this. We are working on it's a trajectory, and we're getting better and better at it.
Let me tell you.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk ya?
come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.